It was a bright morning in the village. Nirvi and Nyra walked hand in hand when something shiny caught their eye. They saw Mr. Das polishing a brand new bicycle outside his workshop. Nirvi asks, "Wow, how are bicycles made?" Mr. Das welcomed the little ones to check the bicycle. The little ones go inside the workshop. It was like stepping into a treasure chest. Parts of all shapes and colors filled the table. Big wheels, shiny chains, bright frames. Both the little girls were examining the parts by touching them with lot of questions in their mind. Mr. Das lifts a metal frame and says, "Everything starts with a strong frame. This is the heart of every bicycle." Mr. Das showed them how it all comes together. First, the wheels, spin and spin. Then, fix the chain for the pedals to rotate and the seat to sit, and handlebars to steer the way. Nirvi sits on the bicycle and tries to spin it laughing, and Nyra spins the wheel in her hand. Nirvi and Nyra in an imaginative way think, in giant factories, tiny robots weld the frames, splash them with colorful paints, and test the bikes on crazy tracks. Finally, the masterpiece was ready. Mr. Das does a test ride. After the test ride, Mr. Das says it's perfect now. Nirvi and Nyra says, "Wow, it's beautiful," and clap their hands. Mr. Das says bye to the little ones, waving his hands from his workshop. As Nirvi and Nyra are back to their home, they dreamed of building their own bicycles someday. Because when you dream big and build with heart, anything is possible.